TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. The Dow Industrials right now down 209. Nasdaq's off 54. S&Ps are down 22. Gold's trading up by $21, 11.52. You got wide price spread, accelerated volume. Gold's going to make that move to the 11.65. You can probably expect that today. Silver's up 22 cents. We're at 15.01. You got platinum up $14 at 9.46. Copper's flat at 2.29. Light sweet crude down 26 cents at $44.22. Bonds. Now, the bond market, folks, okay, has been screaming for a long period of time that it wants higher price once again, which relates to lower price in the S&P. The 10-year is into its highs. That's all-time highs we're talking about. It's into the bottom of the bar. Right now, you're up 13.6. You're at 128.12. I expect what you're going to see. You're going to see follow-through out here. That's going to try to get up and over that high. I don't see it today. Tomorrow, I suspect you're going to get it. The 30-year is up 1 full point and 21 ticks. That baby also wants to get into its high. That got about another 8 points, though, to get up into that level. King dollar also, once again, failed on price, failed on volume, couldn't even take out a small swing point. King dollar is down 376 ticks right now, 95.83 with velocity. You have the price spread again. You have the volume going downtown. The euro is up 78 at 112, and the yen is off a half a penny at 119.40. Now, what you have around the world is this, folks. The Nikkei is saying it all. The Nikkei blew away its August 25th, which would be the August 24th level last night. It's down 498 points. That is setting up much lower prices. Our own markets, if you take a look at the S&Ps, you get a small ABC structure on the way down. You're blowing away the B point out here today, and you're going to have the volume. We've already done 20 million shares. It only needs 153 million. What does that set up? If you're taking a look at the SPY that's setting up next to the leg down is going to be the 186 area. Right now, you're at 191. You take a look at the NDX 100. If we take a look at the 3Qs, what you have with the 3Qs is that the 3Qs right now are at 102.96. That's setting up a run down to the 98.01. We go over to the gold market. What do you have with gold? You're getting price spread, you're getting volume, you're getting all the ingredients that you need. You get a beautiful ABC structure on the way up. This is the second sign of strength, large sign of strength, that as it's come off that bottom on the July 31st area. Thus far, we've done 110,000 contracts. You only need 152 for an ABC structure on the way up. You're going to get it. What does that set up? That sets up 1169. That also sets up, folks, 1234. That's where this baby is going to be running to. Bonds. What do we have with the bond market? This is what you have. 10-year. 10-year thus far has done 619,000 contracts. The highs that we're talking about in bonds are the August 24th highs. Now, the low of that high is 128.05. You're at 128.11 right now. You have the juice behind it. I expect you'll probably see follow through tomorrow, getting up into that level. And the dollar is screaming, folks. Bottom line, dollar can't handle higher price. We're down 341 ticks. Not that that's a lot. It's not a lot. But what you have that expansion of volume. Once again, dollar wants to run into the lows of August 24th, 95.27, 92.85. Bottom line, get your stops in, because this market not only wants to go south, you're going to see something go south fast and furious. When you have ABC structures on the way down or the way up, you got to remember something. The A to B is a straight line move. B to C is a consolidation. C to D is a straight line move. We're in a C to D right now of an ABC structure on the way down. You're talking about the end of the week, meaning Thursday and Friday. This is a market that wants to go south. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051. And don't forget, they have a great deal right now on the 5 Blessings Bullion coins, $75 over spot for gold, $7 over spot for silver. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you like it does me, visit everbank.com/TFNN to find out what they can do for you. Again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. Visit them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.